Here we have a sand filter for your pool, and I do have my outdoor pool ready to go. It just needs to filter, but I was waiting for the actual filter balls because I'm no longer doing sand. This is my third year doing filter balls, and it works a lot better than sand. Cleaner, easier to manage, easy to just toss and get rid of. When sand, you have to fill up the voids, the gaps. It's just a lot of mess. Now this thing is compatible with sand and filter balls. Not a lot of them do that because there's high pressure, some of them, but when you get them like this, they come really compressed. So I recommend you guys get a plastic bag like I have, cut them in there and let them fill it, because some of these filter systems only limit a certain amount. So once you add the water, you could continue to add more filter balls, but right now we're just going to measure to the max and then we're going to continue with that. So just to make sure that you're not going to fill completely the whole entire thing, you fill up the water and then you add the rest of them as required. And these are the size of them. If you guys can see, they're huge. Look at that. They give you a net too to keep them together if you want. This is great. I never seen that before. They added a net, so maybe I should have done that. All right, step number one, we're going to move this to the side. The balls, we got them ready. So what you want to do is bring the main system out here. You're going to have to make sure this is a little tight. There's a little screw in there. Make sure there's no particles in here. We're going to put this in place in here, all right, in the center. This goes right in the middle, all right? That's because you don't want any balls or any sands to go right in the center. So once you do that, you start adding your balls in there, right? So that's step number one. Once you have that settled, add water. Like I said, add water, let it sit down, but make sure when you're going to add water, you're in the right position where this is going to be at, because if you're not, it's going to get a little heavier, right? So check out the pressure and look at that. Perfect. My pressure, and I do have a cap in here, so I can remove this cap if I want to, but look at that. It's another filter I put in there. So no leaks. Water is working really well. Two valves coming in. B. But look at that, beautiful. Now we are gonna do backwash after, make sure it's working, but I just want you to show you the whole entire thing, how powerful this thing is.